Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Adil Shahid. I hope you all are fine and live your life happily. Let's start from a little story. Once there was two persons. One is a retired teacher and other one is a rich engineer. Both of them love to the plants or love to the planting, and they have planted many of trees into their garden. Different kinds of trees, some of same kinds, but some are of different kinds of trees. But with the passage of time, both are care too much of their plants with as like as their childs. They give both of them, they give waters, cares, and also all kind of needs. What are they want? The soil, the nutrient, the environment, the oxygen, or the sunlight. What kind of needs? But the teacher is just care of their plants a little less as compared to the rich engineer. While on other way, the rich engineer always cares very much about their plants. He always planting their water. He always give them water. He always give them nutrients. He always give them a proper light and proper oxygen and proper nourishment that what they want and what are their needs. But with the passage of time, on the other hand, the retired teacher are not giving too much attention to their plants, and just give them only inadequate amount of water and not much of water as they want to need from their own nourishment, but just an inadequate amount of water to their plants. One day there was a lightning, a storm, a rainy day is come, and at that night many of the wind too much speed of the wind or just take place there or just happening there, and at that night this wind or this stormy weather provide a huge danger, is become a huge amount of dangerous to for their plants or for their garden. But next day, when both the retired teacher and the rich engineer are coming out to their garden, and they seeing by surprisingly that the whole garden of the rich engineer are just destroyed due to wind or due to rain or due to storm at that night, the last night. But on the other way, he just shocked to see that the retired teacher's garden are just standing and shining, and just all the plants, not one of them are destroyed due to the heavy rain or heavy monsoon. He surprisingly looked at their garden and also asked to the teacher that how is it possible? I care much more than as compared to your plants or as compared to you towards my plants. But how is it possible that my whole of the garden is gone destroyed and not even a single one of the plants are destroying from you? The teacher smiled and said that, my friend, you are care too much about your plants. You just give what they want. You always give them proper nourishment. You always give them proper watering. You all just always give the things more than they want, the more than their needs, and you are just properly care about all of your plants. But on the same way, I am just caring about my plants, but I am not giving much of their water, the total amount of water that they want to need from me. I just not provide all of them, and just half of the water is provided to them by me, but half of the water are they just own or they get from their own by their own self from the soil, or half of the things or they get from me, but half of the things they want their nourishment for themselves or just they develop by their own. On the same way, this thing apply into our life. We are caring too much to our childs. These childs are our plants, and the parents are just like teacher and the retired teacher and the rich engineer. The rich engineer provide too much of the things more than their needs of their childs, while on the other hand, the retired teacher are just care about their childs but not just give them too much among their needs or of their needs. He just also depends on them. He just always give some tasks, some things that their childs are doing by themselves. Not all the things that he done by their own for their childs, but on the other hand, the rich engineer are always done the things of their childs by their own, and just he gave more than their wants. The same thing is applied in their life, that when the hard or tough time is come into their child life, the rich engineer's childs are just going destroyed totally, and always because they are totally dependent upon their parents. While on the other hand, the retired teacher's childs are just hang down, or just hang out, or just stand a look like a strong tree into a stormy weather, into hard conditions, or into a harsh environment, or into a drought conditions. This is the same thing. You must not pay too much attention, so you must not give too much to your child, because it's make them free from their own duties, and you are just provide that environment that they must realize that some things are need to be hard work. Some things if we want to achieve, we need to be a hard worker just to accept or just to achieve those kind of things. While if you provide too much to their child, if you provide too much of the things then as compared to their needs, then you are just also destroying by your own to your child's future. Because if tough time is come in their life after you are into your life, then your child will not easily handle that tough times. So please be care about your child. Please be a responsible parents in your life, and be a good caring of your child. Stay blessed, stay inspired, keep motivated, keep happy, keep learning. Thank you.